One, two, three, ready. Exercise number 10. The bill ought to be paid if we owe them for the wood. Full stop. May we see the book which was to be given to him. We owe him an apology for the delay in mailing the check. Full stop. We ought to put the money in the bank. We shall do so if we can. May we have a copy of the bill for the wood we bought on the 5th. The name of the book Jesse bought was Making a Living. We shall go to the dock on Monday to take a look at the big ship. Full stop. If we can get each of them to give, we shall have enough money to feed the family for a month. Full stop. We think we ought to make an appeal for aid. Do we owe him a fee for doing the job?